So this is the question number 6. Pause the video and try to solve this question on your own. So let's approach the question. In this question, the two triangles are given, PQR and ABC. Anas and Rishi, the two friends, maybe they are observing these two triangles, and Anas is saying triangle PQR is similar to triangle CBA, and Rishi is saying triangle PQR is congruent to triangle CBA. Here note that it is not given triangle ABC, it is given CBA. The sequence of the vertex matter in the similarities and the congruent. Here the two triangles are given. Firstly, let's analyze whether these two triangles are congruent, whether these two triangles are similar, what is the condition of both of this triangle. Here angle P is given as equal to angle C. This is the symbol of equalities of the angles. Angle P and angle C are equal. So angle P will correspond to angle C, and angle R and angle A are given as equal. So angle R and angle A will correspond to each other. So here the two angles of the triangle are equal to each other. Two angles of two triangles are equal. It means both are similar to each other via angle similarity criteria. If in two triangles the two angles are equal, then we can say both the triangles are similar to each other. So we can say both of these triangles are similar to each other. But the important thing is how you write the similarities. Here the corresponding angle should match with each other. The triangle PQR is similar to P should match with C. So the first component will come as C. The second component should match with Q, that is B. And the third component should match with R, that is A. So we can say the triangle PQR is similar to triangle CBA. So Anas is right, the triangle PQR is similar to triangle CBA. So we got the two triangles as similar. Let's check whether the two triangles are congruent or not. Here the side PR in the triangle PQR is given as 3 cm, which is the side between the angle P and R. And angle P correspond to angle C and angle R correspond to angle A. So the side between these two corresponding angle PR is the corresponding side CA, which is not given in this question. So PR is given as 3 cm and CA is not given in the question, but AB is given in the question as 3 cm, which will correspond to the side QR. So here if we want to apply the angle side angle criteria, the criteria for the congruency of the two triangle, here the criteria will not be applicable. Angle side angle in this triangle is not matching with angle side angle of the second triangle. So the statement given by Rishi, the triangle PQR is congruent to triangle CBA, is wrong. That is incorrect. So only Anas is right, that is both the triangles are similar to each other. So the answer is option A, that is only Anas is right. Got it? Very good question. The concept of similarities as well as the concept of congruency you must know to solve the question. You can review the congruency lecture if you want to revise side criteria, side criteria, angle side angle criteria, and RHS criteria. These criteria are applicable for the congruency triangle. This you must revise before taking the board exam. Okay, this is important. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you very much for being with CREATA Classes. Check out the description for various links to various resources. If the content is helpful, like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much and best of luck.